So while growing up, right, somebody told me that relaxer usually grow the hair and I should try to relax my hair, that my hair will grow longer. I'm going to see like visible growth and everything. That my hair is long, but with relaxer it will grow way longer. And let me tell you for a fact, that is a big fat lie. Relaxers will not grow your hair at all. On the contrary, if you use it in excess, it can actually break your hair, which would actually make your hair to be static. The growth, you will not see it visible because you're not going to retain length, because the length would actually start breaking up bit by bit. Hi there, my name is Joy, aka your favorite hair coach, and on today's episode I'll be telling you one big myth I was told while growing up as regards relaxer and growing your hair. So if this video is what you would like, just stick around till the end. So first off, relaxer in its own work like that, it would actually break the protein bond in your hair, thereby making your hair to be straightened, thereby making it to be silky and all of that. But while your hair is still in the natural state like this, if you notice, your curls are still very visible, the texture is different, it shrink at will, do you understand? But once your hair is relaxed, you don't experience shrinkage at all. It is going to be straight, do you get? So while people say, oh, it grows your hair, it is not growing your hair. It is only making you see your hair when it is not in the shrinking stage. Do you understand? Like when your hair is being stretched, that is what relaxer will show you. It is not adding to this length that you are seeing right now. Do you understand? So when next anybody tells you, oh, relaxer will grow your hair, tell them that it is not true. So let's take it back. What is hair growth? Hair growth is when your hair actually grows from your scalp, like directly from your scalp. You can see your hair growing out. That is why when you have like a bald spot on your edge and you see over time, you see like hair pulling out or sprouting out, that is hair growth. Hair growth literally happens from your scalp, right? Regardless of you using relaxer, that does not have any effect on how fast your hair will grow. Relaxer is not meant for hair growth, right? It is a chemical formulated to straighten your hair, to break the protein bond, thereby making it very easy to detangle, thereby making it free from single strand knots and the likes. You get? So moving on, if you want to actually see like visible growth, work on your length retention. Majority of us don't know how to retain length, and that is where this whole issue is coming from. If they, for instance, the illustration I like giving in my videos, you have like 10 inches of growth already and you keep a protective style for like a month and you're able to grow out like 2 inches more. If you're unable to retain the length that you just grew out from your scalp, right, you realize that you'll be back to the 10 inches as opposed to 12 inches, right? And length retention basically summarizes how you take down your protective style, how you keep your ends tucked in like this, what you do to protect your hair. Like most of you don't sleep with bonnet at night, you don't use silk scarf, you don't do any of that, you don't even use scrunchie that is made of silk, and I don't know why. And the reason why I advise that you use what is made of silk is that your hair easily glides through it. Do you understand? Like there's no friction between your hair and this kind of material. Like it has a very smooth surface, so it's easy for your hair to glide on the surface, thereby reducing breakage. So it is not a case of why must you buy it, it is a case of you actually need it, right? So invest in hair accessories or hair cover or hair scrunchie like this that will reduce breakage. So moving on, if you are on relaxed hair, you need to try as much as possible to take care of your hair like a baby. Like give it extra care, because relaxer can make your hair to be prone to breakage, because it is now finely carved, finely presented, it is now more silky, the bonds that are holding it is now fragile. Do you understand? So the rate at which your relaxer will break is even way more than that of natural hair. Do you understand? So you need to be very careful. Moisturize your ends, do low manipulative hairstyle, moisturize your scalp, keep your hair protected at night by using silk scarf or silk bonnet or silk pillowcases, right, and the likes. And try as much as possible to also take care of yourself from within. eat healthy so that your hair can actually be strong on the outside. Do you get? So all this put together, don't believe any lies that tell you that relaxer will grow your hair. They just want to cajole you into joining their clique or joining that, team. Focus on your natural hair. It will thrive with the right techniques and method. It will thrive. And if you want to know how to take care of your hair, be it natural or relaxed, I have an ebook and the link is in the description box. Click it and go through it. How to retain length, how to take care of scalp issues like dandruff, how to grow out your edges, and lots more DIYs and every other thing in between. Click the link in the description box. So yeah, if you watch up to this point, you're the real OG. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I remain your favorite hair coach. I'll see you in my next time. Bye.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it.